If you want to edit the background with AI in Lightroom Mobile, you can do it quickly, even if you've never used masking before. In this video, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step method to isolate your background, adjust it separately, and make your photo look more professional in just a few taps. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and mobile editing tricks. Let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and choose the photo you want to edit. Once your image is loaded, look at the bottom or side menu and tap on Masking. This is where Lightroom's AI tools become really useful because they let you make targeted edits instead of changing the whole photo at once. Inside Masking, tap the circle icon to open the mask options. From there, select Background. Lightroom will automatically detect the background in your photo and create a clean selection for you. This is the AI part that saves so much time because you don't have to manually trace every edge yourself. After the background is selected, take a moment to check the mask carefully. If the edges need improvement, use Add or Subtract to refine the selection. You can brush in areas that should be included or remove parts that Lightroom accidentally picked up. This step is optional, but it can make a big difference, especially around hair, objects, or detailed edges. Now it's time to edit the background itself. Start with exposure if you want the background darker or brighter. Lowering the exposure can help separate the subject from the scene, while increasing it can make the image feel lighter and softer. Next, adjust highlights and shadows. If the background is too bright, bring the highlights down. If it looks too flat, you can lift the shadows a little to restore detail. Then move to temperature. A cooler temperature gives the background a blue, crisp feel, while a warmer temperature can make the image feel more natural or cinematic, depending on the look you want. You can also change saturation if you want the background colors to be more muted or more vibrant. If your goal is to create a depth effect, try lowering clarity and texture slightly. This can make the background appear softer and help your subject stand out more. You can also add a small amount of negative dehaze for a more blurred, dreamy look. Just keep it subtle so the image still looks realistic. One of the best ways to make your photo look professional is to make the subject pop from the background. A simple trick is to keep the background slightly darker than the subject. That contrast naturally pulls attention to the main person or object in the photo. Once you're happy with the look, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Your background is now edited separately using AI and Lightroom Mobile, and the result should look much more polished and controlled than a normal full image edit. If you want an even better workflow, try combining the subject mask and the background mask together. That way you can brighten your subject, darken the background, and create a clean, professional separation between the two. This is one of the easiest ways to get that high-end edit right from your phone. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom Mobile tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.